Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Outlook and your account details. Now add calendar access. First, open Outlook and click File, then Add Account. This kicks off automatic setup. If your account is Microsoft 365 or Exchange, Outlook will detect calendar services and sync permissions. That makes events appear automatically. If prompted, enter your email and password, then approve any multi-factor prompts. Once done, Outlook will create the mailbox and calendar folder. This is the step that connects your server calendar to the desktop app. Once your account is added, switch to Calendar View to configure sync frequency and shared access. Go to File Account Settings, pick your account, and choose Change to verify that calendar syncing is enabled. For map accounts, use the server's CalDAV or add an Exchange/Outlook. Com account instead. To add a shared or group calendar, select Add Calendar, choose from Address Book, and search the person or resource. Make sure calendar permissions match your needs so you can edit or only view entries. Finish by confirming events display correctly in the desktop calendar. If entries look outdated, right-click the calendar, choose Properties, and clear offline items to force a fresh sync. Once done, use Send/Receive and Update folder to immediately pull changes and restart Outlook to resolve transient glitches. If sync still fails, recreate the Outlook profile through Control Panel Mail Show Profiles. That resets account metadata without losing server-side calendar data. One troubleshooting tip: check server status and MFA prompts. Failed authentication is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.